we're solving problem 9 from the AMC 10B from 2020. So, for how many ordered pairs of x and y satisfy this equation, x to the power of 2020 plus y squared is equal to 2y. Now, what we can do is we can subtract 2y from both sides. This becomes x to the power of 2020 plus y minus 2 equals 0. Well, straight away, we already see a solution. When both x and y are 0, this indeed is 0. So there's 0, 0, because x of 0 to the power of 2020 is still 0, and 0 times some other number is still 0. Now, what else can we find? What if these were virtually the only numbers that we can probably use is 1 and stuff? Well, let's see here. If y were 2, this would be 0, and then this would still be 0, and then x can be 0. So 0, 2 is another solution. Now, let's see if 1 does anything. So, let's just see what happens if we plug 1 into x to the power of 2020. This becomes 1 plus negative 1, which is 0. 1, 1 also works. Now, when we plugged 1 into these two equations, we had a positive 1, and then minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, you might be thinking there's 3, but there could be more. Because this is an even power, we can plug x is equal to negative 1 in here to also get a 1. So, x is equal to negative 1, 1. And now, after observing this for a bit longer, we see that these are the only options available. And we count up these. There's 4, so our answer is simply 4.